Hello everybody, I am RPM Nexus, the bargain tech reviewer. Here on this channel, you will get to see all the really cool tech at a bargain price, and I can't wait to talk to you guys about today's video because this video is mainly for you guys and gals out there. All of you that has been coming to my comments and asking me why your on speakers are not working with your phones or vice versa, that particular style. This video is going to be mainly for you guys and for anybody else out there that is watching this video that you want to know why your speakers are not working with your phones. Well, this is definitely going to be the reason why. I think last year I did a video on this particular reason why your Bluetooth speaker is not working with your Bluetooth phone or something like that. I'm not too sure, but I will leave that video down in the comments below so you can take a gander at that. But right now, we are going to hop straight into this video. Okay, the very first thing I want to talk to you guys about the reason why your Bluetooth speaker may not be working with your phone. This is mainly for all the on speakers out there because I see a lot of comments down below where y'all asking like my on speakers are working. It is not like turning on. It's not saying nothing. It's just beeping. Okay, some of your on speakers, they're not going to have like your voice command kind of thing where it says speaker paired or speaker on, that kind of deal. Some of them just may have a little ding and it comes on and then it tells you it's paired. But the first thing you want to do, the very first reason why your phone may not be pairing with your Bluetooth speaker is your Bluetooth speaker may not be on. Some of them, they actually have an on button, and then some of them, like this one right here, the groove, I did a video on the little mini groove right here. You can take a look at that video right there. But this one, you had to hold down the palm place button to turn it on. So that may be a reason why you're not connected to the on products, is because neither one of your speakers on or your Bluetooth antenna is not on your phone. So basically what you want to do, you want to go into your phone right there, the settings, and well, the drop down menu right there, and then you'll be able to hit the Bluetooth connection and it'll come on. And then sometimes it'll come on automatically with the Bluetooth speaker already in the pair mode. And large parts of your Bluetooth speakers are a easy pair situation where they automatically pair with the stuff, and if not, you may have to hit the pairing antenna with it so that they can pair to each other. Okay, another reason why your on speaker may not be pairing with your mobile device or your mobile device pairing with your on speaker is because your Bluetooth antenna or the Bluetooth technology within either one of your devices may not be compatible with the other. So if you're running an older style phone, some of your older style phones have Bluetooth technology in it that may not be even updated for the particular speaker you're trying to use. So that is a reason why your phone may not be connecting to that Bluetooth speaker. But 90% of your newer devices today should be able to connect to the Bluetooth speaker no matter what Bluetooth speaker it is. And if you're having problems with the connection, like I said, all you have to do is hit the pair mode on the speaker and it should be going into the pair mode, so you'll be easier to connect your speaker with your mobile device. Okay, another reason why your Bluetooth speaker may not be working with your mobile device is that the antenna inside the Bluetooth speaker may be broken and might have got damaged during transport, or somebody might have returned it in the previous past and you still haven't got the crap end of the stick and you got a broken speaker. So that is another reason why the speaker may not be pairing to your Bluetooth device. It may not even be your Bluetooth device, like your mobile device, that's causing the problems. It may just be the speaker in general that may be causing the issues with the Bluetooth pairing part. So keep that in mind. And also note that the Bluetooth antenna in your mobile device may also be broken as well. If the Bluetooth speaker compared to another device but it's not pairing to your mobile device, then it's, like I said a few minutes ago, it could be the fact that it's not compatible with the Bluetooth technology within your phone, or the fact that the Bluetooth antenna inside your mobile device, it is broken and you need to get it repaired or just buy you a new phone. Okay, so the last and final reason why your mobile device may not be pairing to your on speaker, or the on speaker may not be pairing to your mobile device, is that you may have gotten yourself a crappy speaker right off the bat. Technology itself, it is so temperamental. It is like a box of chocolate because you never know what you're going to get out of these things. So you may get a really awesome working speaker that'll last you like for 5 years, or you may just get a speaker the next day it just craps out on you. But that's a good thing about returns. You can actually return a lot of this stuff back to wherever you bought it, and they usually either give you a exchange or they give you money back. But in this case, if you have an on speaker that is not working at all, like as far as pairing, as far as volume, as turning on, you might have got yourself a defective device, which is common in most places. I mean, when you go buy a brand new iPhone or something like that, you're liable to get a bug in it right off the bat, or the phone may not just be working like right off the bat when you get it. I know my wife, she got the A20 and her phone has been giving her problems since she's had it. But my phone and my daughter's phone, they've been working really cool about it, which, you know, that's technology. That's just technology in general, that they may not have no issues. And then another issue you may not seeing is that the wear and tear on speakers, if you had it for so long and all of a sudden it just stopped working, it may be just because you've used it for so long and it's finally gone out on you. So just keep all these reasons in mind when you go to buy you a Bluetooth speaker, that the reason why you may not have the issues like I'm having. You may be having like a Bluetooth connectivity issue. You may be having an issue where you just forgot to turn on the button, and you may have an issue where you have a broken antenna inside your mobile device or your speaker, or it's just, it could be so many things that's going wrong with these speakers, which I will, down the road, I will find like more problems within the speakers so I can relate the information to you. And I still got to get myself a hold of Walmart and find out what's going on with the black web stuff and try to get an actual response from these guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember, I am RPM Nexus, the bargain tech reviewer, where only tech matters to you. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And remember, hit the subscribe and that bell notification, because guys, I love you and I will see you again. Peace.